we are playing ICI Moto song. I request all the participants to put their right hand on their heart.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्द्वैता 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 एतद्द्वैता.
Now I request Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Fenil Shah, to give his opening remarks.
Thank you, Bishan Bhai. Welcoming all at this wonderful morning and at so early 9:30, that too on Sunday, to have a crowd like 135 right now is a big number for this very important session. And as such, session is also too important, that's of decoding the LinkedIn. As we are having two type of people here, one is CA members, another is CA students, and also various other friends who are joining us. So before we move ahead with this particular LinkedIn, I would like to say that today at 11:30, normally every Sunday we focus on development, overall development, apart from professional development. So today again at 11:30, we are having a session on health by Dr. Alpa Yagnik, where she's going to discuss on the health aspects and moreover, how we can use some elements which are there in our home to detoxify our body. This will help us to be fit, which is needed in this pandemic situation. And also mental fitness, which is very important. And for that, today evening, we will be having CA Chetan Dalal. CA Chetan Dalal, a very big renowned name in the field of forensic audit. We all have heard, we all know him in the field of forensic audit from Mumbai. But today he is going to speak on a topic which all might not be knowing, that is on Gita, that is learning lessons from Gita. And he's also an author of one of the very renowned book, Gita for Professionals. So this is from 4 to 5 p.m. And apart from this, friends, next Sunday session is next Sunday. Again, we'll be having an 11:30 to 12:30, a very important session on health from Coach Sapna Vyas. Next Sunday, I'm talking. And then again, lessons from Mahabharata by Dr. Nirja Gupta. That is, these are the two sessions will be there on the next Sunday, that is on 20th of December. So friends, all the sessions are planned for the benefit of all the members, students, and public at large. And apart from this, friends, still the plasma donation drive is going on. And on 27th of December, we are also having the blood donation drive at our branch also. And various other programs are there, the information of which you get on email, SMS, WhatsApp, and your you can say other platforms of social media. Now, friends, coming to a very important session today, LinkedIn, right? Now, friends, when we are professionals, generally we are active on FB, Twitter. If you are a student, let me add two more facets to it. That might be Instagram and Snapchat. Now, maybe FB, maybe Twitter, maybe Snapchat, or maybe Instagram, all are social media platforms. But when it comes to LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a powerful, professional, social networking platform. I would like to thrust on three words: powerful, professional, and networking. So apart from social media, these three things, powerful, professional, and networking, adds an edge. And that's why LinkedIn is very important. And we saw that if a professional or a student are lacking on LinkedIn side, though we have a profile, that's not that too updated. And that's why once when I coordinated with Sampak ji, he told that let's have one introductory session. And as such, why we kept today at Sunday early morning, because whole day, almost all of the days of the week, except Sunday morning, he's so hectically involved in giving trainings, specific trainings for LinkedIn in big corporates and small groups on a professional basis. So I thought let him introduce here, and would request sir also to give an update regarding that professional training. So if anyone wish to join, they can also join. And if I add, friends, why LinkedIn is very important, then it can help to build our brand. We can also tap into the powerful job search board. It can help to do research on companies and its employees. We can get very important industry news. If we are active on LinkedIn, it can also help us to rank in Google, and we can very easily manage the contacts, because as I earlier told, that it's a professional social media network, right? And very important, it helps to build network also. And today it was very important. Many students also requested to have this session, but they couldn't join because the reason today, the rescheduling of CA Foundation exam took place because of this 8th December ban. So we are specifically recording also this session, and we will keep it on YouTube for the benefit of students. Plenty of students were unable to join because of their exams. So with this brief words, again, I welcome Sampark ji, Mr. Sampark Sachdeva, a very renowned name in LinkedIn, to this session. Thank you, Sampark ji, for accepting our invitation. And now I request Bishan Bhai to introduce the speaker for the session.
Thank you, Chairman sir, and welcome Sampark Sachdeva ji. Sir, I heard name first time 3 to 4 years ago about LinkedIn. So I was thinking that it's a like it. You know, we are not used to have such type of words. Maybe a TEDx. So these are the new words, and we are very much thankful that you are here to give us a knowledge on what all this new technology about. Now coming to the introduction of Sampark ji. Sampark ji is a personal branding coach and LinkedIn expert. He is into sales and marketing and consultation, and a startup mentor, winner of the LinkedIn Spotlight 2019, which is an award conferred by the LinkedIn for the top 14 content creators in India with the maximum engaging and viewed content. Rated as one of the top 100 marketing, sales and growth hackers in India by Paul Reiter and Oracle in 2019. He is a TEDx speaker and having 77,000 plus organic followers on LinkedIn with over 40 million post views over the years. And he is having a 10 years of work experience across organizations like Asian Paints, Ola, and Oyo. Sir, on behalf of Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICI, we welcome you here, and we request you to start your deliberation on the topic. Thank you very
much. Thank you, Bishan Bhai and Fenil sir. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's really heartening to see 170 people on a Sunday morning. I was very apprehensive when Fenil sir said 9:30 in the morning. I was like, log Sunday subah itni aayenge bhi ki nahi, but I'm really happy to see so many people here. So guys, let me just jump straight into the topic. Can you see my screen? I hope.
Yes, Sampark ji.
Yeah. Just give me a minute, guys. So guys, my one request will be that if some people can keep their videos on, at least I get to see some people. Otherwise it becomes a one-way monologue. And you can keep your questions with you. I will, once I finish, I'll go into the chat box. I will answer as many questions as we can, because I'm sure we'll have time. So I've kept the presentation short so that I can come back and answer a lot of questions. See guys, when you're talking about 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour is also not long enough to understand or explain everything on LinkedIn. But अगर 1.5 घंटे में मैं आपको ये सारी चीजें समझा दूं कि LinkedIn is how important from a chartered accountant point of view and where it can help you, I think that will be my victory there. So understand the basics of it, understand the importance of it, and I'm sure you'll derive a lot of benefit out of the session overall. So let's kickstart. So one, Bishan Bhai has given a little bit of introduction about me, but I'll tell it in my own words as well, since I have the slide ready. So I come with 10 years of corporate experience. So I was working with Asian Paints for 5 years, Ola for 3 years, and Oyo for 2 years. That was my professional journey. I was into sales and marketing. I've handled various roles across the country. I was rated as one of the top 100 marketing and sales professionals last year. So that was my corporate journey. In this meantime, LinkedIn for me always was a side passion. I realized the importance of a platform like LinkedIn. How can you use LinkedIn to create a side hustle? How do you create a personal brand? How do you uh, build your name around on a platform like LinkedIn? So that's my LinkedIn journey. I was a winner of the LinkedIn Spotlight Award last year, which is an award by LinkedIn recognizing the top 14 content creators. The remaining parts Bishen Bhai has also mentioned. I've done over 85 sessions, trained over 12,000 people across the best colleges in the country, across the world, across associations. And that is, it was in one of these sessions that I got introduced to Fenil sir himself. And that was a good 5-6 months back. And today I have the opportunity of talking to all of you as well. So that's my LinkedIn journey, because you will ask कि Sunday morning कौन है जो उठा के यहाँ पे ले आया है session के लिए. So at least I needed to give my introduction there. Guys, if anybody has a problem with Hindi, just let me know in the chat, because I will use a little bit of Hindi in my session as well. One beach mein, not too much. Yeah. So guys, why is LinkedIn important? Okay. And again, Fenil sir also gave an introduction that a lot of people assume this platform to be very, very from a social media perspective. ठीक है, अगर मैं ज्यादातर लोगों से पूछूं कि why are you on LinkedIn, ठीक है, 90% people answer in two things. One, they say LinkedIn is a job search platform. ठीक है, the remaining half of people say that LinkedIn is a sales platform, and that is a myth. So I speak to a lot of business owners, बोलते हैं नहीं नहीं, LinkedIn is for corporate professionals. ठीक है, अब corporate professionals are under the assumption कि सिर्फ यहाँ पे job मिलती है. I will say it is neither a job search platform, it is neither a sales platform. LinkedIn is a relationship building platform. LinkedIn is a personal branding platform. LinkedIn is a networking platform. You build your brand well, you will get jobs. You build your relationships well, you will get sales. You build your network well, you will get jobs and sales both. So jobs and sales are byproducts of the platform. They are not the objective of the platform. Problem with a lot of people is people come to LinkedIn with the intention of taking, अरे मेरे को नया client चाहिए, अरे मेरे को नया business चाहिए. If you come with the intention of taking, you will not get anything. But if you come with the intention of giving, you will eventually get. तब आपको लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, खुद मिलेगा. So guys, if you can stay on mute, please, that would be really, really appreciated. So that is why LinkedIn is important. Why is also LinkedIn important is that people who are in a job or people who are running their own business, as you grow, you become synonymous with your business. But end of the day, the only thing that you have which will go with you till your grave is your name, and wo naam is your personal brand. Today, how many people know Sampark? How many people know Fenil sir? How many people know Bishen sir? The point is, how many people know you? Another point where for chartered accountants it becomes very, very important. Okay, the people, the one few of you who have your COP and are practicing, you know you cannot do marketing. As per the rule, marketing आप नहीं कर सकते. But you can always share your thoughts. You can always share your knowledge. And that is when you share your knowledge, people get to know you. With traditionally in chartered accountancy, what happens? You have that same set of clients. आपको अगर word of mouth से referral से client मिला तो मिला, otherwise you generally are around the same set of clients. With a platform like LinkedIn, even without marketing, when you're sharing tips on how do you save tax, how do you maintain better accounts, how do you maintain better finances, a lot more people get to know about you as an individual. They see you as an expert, they see you as a thought leader, which will organically, without any marketing, also get you organic clients. So that also becomes very, very important from that perspective, where you can spread your name far and beyond, even without doing any sort of marketing. So that's where LinkedIn becomes important. Now, from a data perspective, there are 700 million people worldwide, 70 crores worldwide, and there are over 7 crore people on LinkedIn who are there. Post COVID, everything is virtual. The fact that I've been able to do 85 sessions, through this period, all sitting in Bombay. I'm sitting in Bombay. All of you are sitting in Ahmedabad and Gujarat. It's such an honor to be there. The fact is, everything is virtual. Now, every potential recruiter is here. Every potential client is here. Every potential business partner is here. So if you are looking for clients, it's a good place to be in. If you're looking for people to recruit people, you to get articles or chartered accountants whom you want to hire, this is again a very good place. If you're looking for associations across the country also, this is a very good place. So that's the benefit of a platform like this. As Fenil sir rightly said, every so-called professional person whom you would want to connect with may not check your Instagram, may not check your Facebook, may not check your Twitter, but he will surely check your LinkedIn. And India, it has become popular over the last few years. Internationally, this is the main platform that people use to get professional help. If I give you an example, it's been 10 months since I've jumped into this full time, leaving my job while I'd been doing it as a side hustle till then. I get 10 organic leads every week out of the platform. Zero spend on marketing, nothing. Today, whatever I have built over 4 years on the platform, today I am reaping the benefits out of it. That is how organically from one session to another, from one referral to another, I've been able to do all this that I have just from this platform. I am barely there on any other platform. For me, LinkedIn is my main source of leads, etc. So that is where LinkedIn becomes important. If you look at a few stats, it's the same thing as the rest that you talk about. It's the second most business generating platform after Facebook. In terms of the kind of clientele that is also there. On Facebook today, you will find everybody. Even people who are not your target audience will be there. But if you, the data on the screen is from an American concept, but 50% of people are graduates and above. So that means that people who might need your services, if there is a highest probability of them being there, that is on LinkedIn rather than any other social media platform. So it is still a very serious and a professional platform that is there. Okay. Now coming to building your LinkedIn profile. A lot of you will say that, Sampark, I already have a LinkedIn profile. Guys, LinkedIn profile होना और अच्छी profile होना वो दो अलग चीजें हैं. Because I know a lot of you have your profiles, because since morning I've seen a lot of you have come and checked my LinkedIn profile. So I suddenly saw good traffic coming in from CAs around Gujarat. So I realized people have their profile. But the fact is, profile तो सबकी होती है. वहां 7 करोड़ Indian profiles होती है. But then why is it that only 2% people find success there? Because people don't realize how to do it well. So I will teach you a little bit of profile. I will also teach you how do you operate on the platform. Why are both of them important? अगर मैं सीधा आपको कंटेंट के बारे में बताऊंगा तो आप ट्रैफिक प्रोफाइल तक तो ले आओगे, but अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल is not strong enough, people will eventually not reach out to you. It's like your personal website. So your website has to be strong enough that if you get traffic, that should be able to convert that lead for you. And if I only teach you profile and I don't teach you how to write here or other details, then you'll be sitting with a beautiful website with no traffic at all. Right? So both parts become very, very important. The first thing that you need to pay attention to is your profile picture. And I've seen a lot of people, including a lot of chartered accountants, अपने firm का logo डाल दिया, या एक blurred photo डाल दी, या crop photo डाल दी. Guys, remember, end of the day, it is social media. लोगों को डर लगता है, अच्छा, how genuine is this person? I hope he's not a fraud, etc. So people want to see whom they are talking to. So please put a professional photograph there. When I'm saying a professional photograph, I'm not saying कि आप photographer के पास जाके photo खींच के आओ. I'm saying even with the great smartphones that we have today, stand against a plain wall, ask somebody at home to click a proper photograph, well lit, brightly frontly lit photograph, not the kind of photograph that you see on the right side. So आपको पहली photograph अगर आप देखो तो उसमें आपको दिख रहा है कि cropped है, किसी का हाथ है कंधे पे. You look at the second photograph, you can't even make out the face of the person. You look at the third person, it's with a wine glass in hand. So guys, please realize it is end of the day professional. So keep a very professional photograph, click one at home itself and put that up. Right? Now I want people to go to the chat box. I am going to ask a question here. What do you think? Now coming to this, the next part, what do you think is the most important part of the LinkedIn profile? Let's have a few answers in the chat box. When you send messages, that part is visible. When you send an invitation, that part is visible. When you see somebody's contacts, that is visible, etc. Okay, somebody says profile. Guys, profile to I understand. Profile to मैं सिखा ही रहा हूँ. Somebody says bio. Somebody says introduction. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Achievements. Okay. Content. Okay. Come in. Guys, I'm talking part of the profile. I'm talking part of the profile. Tagline. Okay. Work experience, achievements, qualifications. Guys, summary. Some people have answered it there. Okay. Your LinkedIn headline is the most important thing. Guys, realize achievements, skills, experience, ये सब आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आने के बाद किसी को दिखता है. There are three things which are visible without coming to your profile. One is your name, जिसके बारे में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Second is your photograph. There is a limit to which you can Photoshop yourself. Third, which becomes your make or break, is your headline. आपके नाम के नीचे जो एक टैगलाइन होती है, that is very important. तो अगर आप किसी को मैसेज भेज रहे हो तो वो दिखता है, अगर आप किसी को इनविटेशन भेजते हो तो वो दिखता है. If you are sending, writing a post, it is visible. If somebody does a LinkedIn search, that is visible. Your headline becomes very has to be very specific, because your नाम से पता नहीं चलता आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपके फोटोग्राफ से पता नहीं चलता आप क्या कर रहे हो, but आपके headline से you can tell the person what to be done. Now suppose there is a business owner in Ahmedabad, ठीक है, who goes and search for chartered accountants in Ahmedabad. All your names will pop up. He will not click on each of them, but basis your headline, he will decide which one does he want to check and which one does he not want to check. So your headline should not be chartered accountant, because chartered accountant to sub hai. But as I understand the little bit of knowledge that I have about chartered accountancy, there is so many things that you do in chartered accountancy. There is somebody who's into auditing, there is somebody who's into taxation, somebody who's into compliance. There is a lot more there. Sorry, I don't know the remaining terms, but अगर मेरे को ऑडिटर चाहिए, ठीक है, और अगर किसी के हेडलाइन में लिखा है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, ऑडिटिंग, टैक्स, व्हाटएवर, इंटरनल ऑडिट, एक्सटर्नल ऑडिट, एक्सेट्रा, आई विल फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन द पर्सन जिसकी हेडलाइन मेरे को मेरे पर्पस की लग रही है, नॉट अ वेग हेडलाइन. सो यू कैन राइट CA at XYZ firm, इंटरनल ऑडिट, टैक्सेशन, GST, कंप्लायंस, एक्सेट्रा, जो भी आप मेन चीजें 4-5 चीजें आप करते हो वो आपकी हेडलाइन में होना चाहिए. बिकॉज ऑल्सो यार somebody said सर्च में पिकअप होता है, प्रोफाइल ऑप्टिमाइज होती है. जो भी आप कीवर्ड्स यहां डालोगे, जो भी कीवर्ड्स आप समरी में डालोगे, इससे आपकी सर्च अपीयरेंसेस भी बढ़ती हैं. सो डोंट राइट वेग स्टफ, डोंट राइट CA at XYZ firm. अरे CA तो अगर आप चेक करो लिंक्डइन पे तो देयर आर एटलीस्ट 2-3 लाख CAs. But you have to be very specific who you are and what you do. If you're into some other field which is not into auditing, then write that. Write your skills there, write your main fields there. It becomes very important. It is your clickbait, it is your thumbnail. आपकी headline will decide आप कितने लोगों को अपने प्रोफाइल पे ला सकते हो. Because आपका काम है ट्रैफिक को प्रोफाइल पे लाना, फिर प्रोफाइल को इतना सुंदर करके रखना कि आपको ट्रैफिक आप तक पहुंचे and you will get business out of it. That is where your headline becomes very important, right? Now what has happened is you've written a beautiful headline and you've pulled traffic onto it. Now coming to LinkedIn, the first thing that you see is the most ignored part of the LinkedIn profile. Let's go back to the chat box and get some answers. What do you think is the most ignored part of the LinkedIn profile? 80% people को पता भी नहीं कि वो चीज है और वो यूज कर सकते हैं. Let's have a few answers there. What do you think is the most ignored part? Somebody said featured, somebody said about. Okay, go ahead. References, okay, go ahead. Summary, go ahead. अभी तक right answer नहीं आया है. Summary, no. Go ahead. Skill endorsement, no. Go ahead. I'm talking about the most ignored part. अभी तक 100% record है, किसी ने आंसर गेस नहीं किया है. Connection, no. Contact, no. Profile picture, no. There is one person finally who's got the answer. I think Shraddha has got the answer. The cover picture. The cover picture is the most ignored part of the LinkedIn profile. Now, I'll tell you why. जो बाकी चीजें आपने बोली वो भी ignored हैं, ठीक है? But जो सबसे ज्यादा ignored है is the cover photo. Look at the bottom left. जो स्क्रीनशॉट आपको ब्लू कलर का दिख रहा है, ठीक है? आपके फोटो के पीछे, प्रोफाइल फोटो के पीछे जो एक बड़ी सी स्ट्रिप होती है ना, दैट इज योर कवर पिक्चर. आइदर यू विल सी दिस ब्लू स्ट्रिप, अगर आपका ऐप अपडेटेड है तो आपको ग्रेइश ग्रीनिश करके स्ट्रिप मिलेगी. write default in the chat box if you are on the blue or the default gray green strip. Write default in the chat box. Let's see how many people are on the default. कितने लोगों ने कवर फोटो नहीं चेंज किया? डालो 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 डालो. Come on, I'm sure there are more. Come on, I'm sure there are more. Just look at the number of people, and that is why it is the most ignored part of the LinkedIn profile. The chat box is just going bonkers there because people are changing. Now there is another important factor here, right? One is changing the cover picture. Second is making the cover picture good for people to know who you are. A lot of people change the cover picture, but agar aapki cover picture is not value adding to your profile. So I think somebody is saying that I can't hear the sound. Please help. If you guys, if you can just log out and log in, I think that problem should solve, because there's one person who's just written in the chat box there. So the point is, your cover picture should talk a little about you, your services also. So you can think about that. Now look at the three examples on the right. Okay. The first one talks about the companies that the guy has worked with. So if not that, you can always talk about the keywords that you're talking about: auditing, taxation, GST. जो भी आपके keywords हैं, आप उस keywords का एक collage type का बना के डाल सकते हो. ठीक है. Second, you can put in a photographs का collage. So while you're taking maybe sessions or doing some work or etc., you can put a collage of photographs. It showcases different personality elements of you. तीसरा वाला आपके केस में काफी valid नहीं होगा, because then it's a collage of the products that you have, but you can put in maybe the top headings of the services that you offer. You can put in your website ka ID there. So if you look at my cover picture says sampark.com. It puts my website there so that I get lead generation out of that as well. The fact is, it's a very important part of the profile. Now, आपने जो बाकी लोगों ने बोला कि ये parts में important है. Every part of LinkedIn is important. You will say, Sampark, every part when you reach, you are saying it is important. Harshad, yes, you can absolutely mention achievements also there. If that adds weightage to your profile, absolutely go ahead and add that. No issues. आपका हर प्रोफाइल का पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम यूज करते हो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इंस्टाग्राम में सिर्फ दो ही पार्ट है. एक आपकी फोटो है और बायो है, बाकी उसमें बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल्स नहीं है. LinkedIn is like your personal website. Every element of that website is important. So अगर मैं हेडलाइन की बात कर रहा हूँ वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, कवर पिक्चर की बात करूंगा तो वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्किल्स की बात करूंगा तो वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. एवरी एलिमेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज एवरी एलिमेंट हैज अ डिफरेंट पर्पस. Every element has to show a different element of who you are. So please ensure आपकी प्रोफाइल का हर पार्ट is optimized to the correct level. It's a very, very important factor that you need to take into play, right? अब क्या है? अब आपने एक बहुत सुंदर सी हेडलाइन लिखी. You pulled people to the profile. Now you've made a very beautiful cover picture. You attracted the person. Now the person scrolls down. Okay. Now comes another very important part, which is your about section. Now, why is the about section important? Okay. Now, if there are 100 people who come to your profile, not everybody will eventually speak to you. So let me pick up some names from the chat. So if 100 people come to Dhruv's profile, not all of them will talk to Dhruv eventually. If 100 people come to Harshad's profile, not all of them will talk to Harshad. But reading your about section, I should get a complete idea who is Harshad and what does he do and why does he do, who is Dhruv and what does he do and why does he do. Now, I'll tell you why does that become important. Please write your story kind of a thing in your about section. Don't just fill keywords and jargon there. क्योंकि आप क्या करते हो वो तो एक्सपीरियंस में दिख ही रहा है, आपकी कौन सी फील्ड्स है वो तो बाकी जॉनर में दिख रहा है, बट आप क्यों कर रहे हो. The fact is that why do you love CA? Why are you in CA? Where did you make that decision to be a chartered accountant? That personality angle, that context to your story can be put in your about section. So about section, हाँ, आप बहुत लोग बोलते हैं संपर्क बहुत लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. लंबा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हर बंदा जो आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आता है, he may or may not be your target audience, but your eventual target audience will read your about section in detail. So put in details. Now let me go through the points that are there. One, a lot of people write about section in third person. Sampark is a professional. Please don't do that. It is your individual profile. It is your personal profile. Okay. It should always be from your perspective. I am a professional chartered accountancy professional with 15 years of experience. It has to be in first person. हाँ, third person में cool sound करता है, but वो गलत है. So please realize that do not put it in third person. Also realize that the first 3 lines are visible before somebody clicks on the show more. पहले 3 लाइन आपकी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. ठीक है. आपकी सर्च अपीयरेंसेस बढ़ाने के लिए भी यहां से कीवर्ड्स पिकअप होते हैं. तो इन दैट स्टोरी फॉर्मेट यू नीड टू पुट इन योर कीवर्ड्स आल्सो. नाउ what is the basic thumb rule of the format? Okay. First paragraph, who are you? I am a CA professional with XYZ experience. Second, where are you coming from? So over the last 15 years, I have done XYZ work and ABC work across. Third paragraph, where are you today? Today, I am running my own firm, or today I am a student of chartered accountancy, etc. Fourth, where do you want to go? Over the next 5 years, this is what I want to do. So make it, who are you? Where are you coming from? Where are you today? And where do you want to go ahead? Okay, 2 lines on each. Please note, do not write bulky paragraphs. 4 5 line के paragraphs मत लिखिएगा. English is intimidating. People get scared of reading English. Please write it in 2 lines. I am a CA professional with 15 years of experience across 1 to 3 industries. First paragraph. Second, over the last 15 years, I have developed this passion for accounts and finance, etc. Where are you coming from? Third, today I am running my own firm, etc. Who are you today? And 4, what do you want to do in the next 5 years? So break it up in a story format. Last part of the about section has to be a call to action. You can check out my website. You can write to me at this email ID. You can call me on this phone number. Your call to action has to be right there in the about section. Some of you will say, Sampark, contact info तो है वहां क्यों? But ज्यादातर लोगों को contact info कहाँ मिलती है वो नहीं पता है. So अगर somebody is reading your about section and he's impressed with you, please put in your call to action there. Okay. Please note, bulky paragraphs, मोटे paragraphs मत डालिएगा. Use small paragraphs, use bullet points, use as much of the character limit as possible. Do not fill emojis there. Emojis will break the whole professionalism and seriousness of the about section. Right? So that's your about section as a whole. Okay? Now, below the about section, there is a featured section. And a lot of people will ask, Sampark, हमको featured section दिख नहीं रहा. Go to the top of your profile where your name is. आपको वहां एक add profile section का tab मिलता है. Add profile section में जाके you can add your featured segment. Okay. Now featured segment again is very, very important. Why? Because you can use this very well to add credibility to yourself. You can use this very well to add authenticity to yourself. अब LinkedIn पे बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि अपने जो नॉर्मल डे टू डे पोस्ट्स हैं उनको फीचर कर देते हैं. गाइस, फीचरिंग पोस्ट्स विल नॉट लीड यू एनीवेयर. ओके, फीचर योर टॉप अचीवमेंट्स, योर टॉप 5 अचीवमेंट्स को शोकेस करिए सो दैट पीपल सी the big personality that you are. People see how successful you are. Use this as that tool. Now, what are the things that you can put here? ठीक है, if you have a corporate video, you can put that. अगर आपने कोई गेस्ट लेक्चर दिया है या सेशन दिया है जिसका आपके पास यूट्यूब लिंक है, वो आप डाल सकते हो. आपको अगर कोई अवार्ड मिला है, आप उसकी फोटोग्राफ डाल सकते हो. अगर आपने कोई आर्टिकल लिखा है जो न्यूज़पेपर में या आपके सीए जर्नल में प्रिंट हुआ है, आप उसको डाल सकते हो. अगर किसी न्यूज़पेपर में आपके बारे में या आपके फर्म के बारे में कुछ लिखा है, आप उसके बारे में डाल सकते हो. इट इज अ प्लेस टू शो ऑफ. Please use this to show off. Now look at the screenshot on the right. ठीक है, अब बिशेन भाई ने स्टार्टिंग में बोला संपर्क was the winner of LinkedIn Spotlight. संपर्क was one of the top 100 marketers. आप भी तो बोल सकते हो कि संपर्क झूठ बोल रहा हो सकता है, झूठ बोल रहा हो. So to add that authenticity in my featured section, when you go, you will see the first box, which is the list of the LinkedIn Spotlight winners. So you can go and check कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. उसके बाद you will see my certificate of my top 100 marketing professionals, where you can go and check, okay, this guy is genuinely being rated as one of the top 100 marketing professionals. उसके बाद कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स लगी हैं, कुछ न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग्स लगी हैं, मैंने TEDx की टॉक दी तो उसका इमेज लगा है, so that people can see that oh he's a winner of LinkedIn Spotlight, oh he's one of the top 100 marketers. It adds weightage to who I am. अगर आप देखोगे आपको भी लगेगा यार ये बंदा काम का है, इसके साथ काम कर सकते हैं. So that's the whole objective of the featured section. So please do not waste this segment. Do not waste it in featuring things which are very, very less important. One important thing, जो भी आपकी सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट है वो सबसे पहले होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज ज्यादातर लोग राइट जाके स्क्रॉल नहीं करते हैं. सो वट एवर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज पुट दैट सबसे आगे. That's very, very important. You can also put your website here. If you want organic lead generation, you can also put your website here. Right? So that's the part of the featured section. Now, I will not go through detail of every segment because अगर मैं करने बैठा तो 4 घंटे में सिर्फ आपको यही समझाते रह जाऊंगा. But I'll explain the rest in brief. The others are fairly very, very self-explanatory. Experiences में please put in all your experiences. तो अगर आपने अपना फर्म खोलने से पहले कहीं पे काम किया है आप वो भी डालिए. कई बार if you worked in a corporate as a chartered accountant, also put that up also. A lot of times you have got promoted within different roles, वो सारी चीजें डालिए. Now when you put your roles also, it shows you have grown, it shows you have got promoted, it shows your career progression. That becomes experience का importance. Education and certification, please सारी चीजें डालिए. In addition to CA, अगर आपने कोई और certifications किए हैं, so please उसको भी डालिए. तो एजुकेशन, सिंस सीए तो एजुकेशन में आएगा, बट आपने कोई शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेज किए हैं, कुछ आपने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी साथ में किए हैं, तो उसको सर्टिफिकेशन में डालिएगा, बिकॉज इट शोज यू आर अपस्किलिंग, रीस्किलिंग, इट इज शोज दैट यू आर स्टिल लर्निंग. सो प्लीज पुट दैट. नाउ कमिंग टू recommendations एंड स्किल्स, इट बिकम्स वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ जब आप Amazon से कुछ खरीदने जाते हो तो आप जो सेलर है उसने जो लिखा है उस पे तो नहीं मानते. यू गो डाउन, यू चेक द रेटिंग्स, यू चेक द रिव्यूज दैट अदर्स हैव गिवन, ओनली देन यू बाय. On a platform like LinkedIn, when you're selling your own services, expect that somebody is buying your service, so he will also want to check your reviews, your credibility, your rating. Hence he will go and check your skills and recommendations. So please go down, fill your skills. आपके skills should be in sync with what you're talking about. Ask your friends to vote you there. Recommendations में you can ask your clients to write it for you. अगर आप article हैं तो आपका जो whoever is your mentor can write it for you. If you're working with someone, then your boss can write it for you. That is how you can get recommendations. It becomes very important. It's like third person validation, because ऊपर से नीचे तो आप चिल्ला रहे हो कि मैं सबसे अच्छा हूँ, I am the best CA in Ahmedabad, I am the most knowledgeable. But when somebody comes and validates that, that is what makes the difference. Right? So please understand that. Yeah. इसके नीचे then you get your accomplishment section. You have an achievements and honors वाला part. So अगर आपको कोई awards मिले हैं, आपको कोई achievements मिले हैं, please उसको डालिए. उसके अंदर आपको you will get publications का option, scores का option. So if you are all India rank holder, etc., you can put all those things also there. The point is, it is your personal website. आप अपने बारे में जितना दिखा सकते हो, जितना बता सकते हो, please go ahead and do that. It is very, very important. And trust me, while it is very, very underutilized from a chartered accountant's point of view, so many CAs are now coming on the platform. There are so many of my clients who are chartered accountants, be it students, be it articles, be it corporate CAs, be it people who are running their own firms, people with COP, etc., who are auditing, etc. There are so many of my clients who are now CAs because they are realizing that it's a good platform to showcase that brand of you. जो आपका नाम है वो आपका brand है. And if there is one platform which is important, that is LinkedIn, right? So that's your profile segment, right? Now coming to using LinkedIn to your advantage. Okay. Now what I want all of you to do is go to your chat box. Okay. And in your profile, below your about section, you will see a dashboard. Okay. डैशबोर्ड में लेफ्ट मोस्ट में आपका हु व्यूड योर प्रोफाइल का एक नंबर होगा, वो नंबर चैट बॉक्स में जरा डालिए प्लीज। आपकी प्रोफाइल में अबाउट और फीचर्ड के नीचे एक डैशबोर्ड दिखेगा, डैशबोर्ड में जो लेफ्ट मोस्ट नंबर है हु व्यूड योर प्रोफाइल, वो नंबर चैट बॉक्स में डालिए प्लीज। 15, 273, 170, 201, 189, 140, 19, 209, 247, 47, 594, 168, 760, 61, 67, 12, etc. Guys, ठीक है, I got a hint of the average that is there. This is the number of people जो आपकी प्रोफाइल में पिछले 90 दिनों में आए हैं. The number of people who have come to your profile in the last 90 days. Let me type my number in the chat box. Okay. And I'll quote for the people who are not. This is my number. Sorry, I think I messaged somebody individually. Galti se. Sorry. That's the number. The number of views that I have got in the last 19 days is 18,500. Now, अगर आपका नंबर 200 और 300 के बीच में है, दैट मीन दिन का आपके पास आपकी प्रोफाइल पे 2 या 3 लोग आ रहे हैं. अगर मेरी प्रोफाइल पे 18,000 लोग आ रहे हैं, दैट मीन दिन के 200 लोग आ रहे हैं. वेयर इज द हायर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग अ सेल? वेयर इज द हायर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग बिजनेस? एंड ऑफ द डे जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, राइट? द मोर यू आर विजिबल, the more leads you will get, the more business you will get. Now you will say, संपर्क, ये तो आपका प्रोफेशन है, इसीलिए आपका 18,000 है, हमारा कैसे हो सकता है? Guys, for you also, each of you, this number should be nothing less than 3 to 5,000. जब लोग आएंगे, आपको देखेंगे, तब तो आपको बिजनेस मिलेगा. And that is where it becomes important. So now what we will learn from here on is कि ये नंबर कैसे बढ़ाना है. ठीक है? अब आप में से काफी सारे लोग होंगे, ठीक है? There are how many people here? There are 200 people on the session. 200 लोग में बहुत होंगे संपर्क, मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आता लिंक्डइन, आपने जो अभी तक बोला कुछ समझ नहीं आया एक्सेट्रा. अगर आप सेशन में कुछ और नहीं भी समझते, अगली स्लाइड अगर आप समझ गए, तो आई थिंक आई वुड हैव वन द चैलेंज हियर. ठीक है? देयर आर मेकिंग अ प्रोफाइल इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, एज इंपॉर्टेंट. There is only 2 mantras of success here. ठीक है? आपने प्रोफाइल बना दी और उसके बाद आप बैठ गए तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. प्रोफाइल बना के उसके आगे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज द मंत्रा ऑफ सक्सेस. देयर आर ओनली 2 mantras ऑफ सक्सेस. बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड बी पेशेंट. The fact that all of you are CAs, I'm sure you have this quality because CA is not an easy exam to pass through. So I'm sure you've done that learning of being consistent. And I know it's a very long course when you're talking about apna articleship, 3 years, etc. It's a game of patience also. So I am sure all of you have these qualities. But वही qualities आपको आप reuse करनी है यहाँ पे. Now I'll give you an example. I'll give you a long example. जहां भी you agree to that example, type agree in the chat box. ठीक है? I'll give you 4 parts of that example. but जहां पे भी आपको लगे कि हाँ यार ये थोड़ा सा काम की बात हो रही है तो agree लिख देना. It will also motivate me a little. Okay. Joining LinkedIn is like joining a gym membership. ठीक है? 1st January of every year, everybody joins the gym. ठीक है? 80% drop off in 1 month. Okay? 90% drop off in 3 months. Only 5% survive for 6 months. But the people who survive for 6 months are the ones who come back with an awesome body. ठीक है? बाकी 95% बोलते हैं एक्सरसाइज से कुछ नहीं होता, कीटो डाइट करो, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग करो, वो सब बहाने मारेंगे. ठीक है? लिंक्डइन इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग. ठीक है? 200 लोग हैं, कल सुबह सारे जोश में लिंक्डइन पे जाएंगे. अरे संपर्क ने बोला लिंक्डइन पे जाना है. ठीक है? अगर आप 1 महीने में ड्रॉप हो गए तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप 3 महीने में ड्रॉप कर गए, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप 6 महीने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे सर्वाइव कर गए, आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म से रिजल्ट मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ठीक है? बाकी लोग सिर्फ बोलेंगे अरे लिंक्डइन पे कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है? दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई ओनली 2% पीपल आर सक्सेसफुल, बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग टर्म गेम. सेकंड एग्जांपल, जब आप जिम ट्रेनर के पास जाते हो ना, तो ट्रेनर बोलता है सर आई नो आप बहुत बिजी हो, आप हर दिन मत आइए, चलेगा 2 दिन में एक बार आ जाना, 3 दिन में एक बार आ जाना, हफ्ते में 2 बार आ जाओ बस. ठीक है? LinkedIn is exactly the same. I know all of you are busy. I know you have a lot of work. Even starting में अगर आप हफ्ते में 2 बार भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ गए, पोस्ट 2 दिन पोस्ट कर दिया, it is a good start. I do 5 posts a week. I want you to reach that level. But इट इज अ गेम ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी। हफ्ते में 2 बार आओ, लेकिन 6 महीने के लिए आओ। बी कंसिस्टेंट, ठीक है। तीसरा एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, जब आप जिम जाते हो ना, तो पहले 1 महीने के बाद कोई फर्क नहीं दिखता, बॉडी वैसी की वैसी होती है। दूसरे महीने के बाद भी रिजल्ट नहीं दिखता। तीसरे महीने में ऐसा लगता है अच्छा यार मसल टाइट हो रही है, अच्छा फैट लॉस हो रहा है। तीसरे महीने तक रिजल्ट दिखता है। लिंक्डइन पे भी इट्स अ गेम ऑफ पेशेंस। इमीडिएट रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा। अगर आप बोलोगे कि मैं अभी चले जाता हूं, कल मेरे को क्लाइंट मिल जाएगा, तो नहीं मिलता। Remember, it is a longer term game. Remember, it is a game of patience. There are a lot of people out there जो automation सिखाते हैं, shortcut सिखाते हैं, hack सिखाते हैं. Guys, shortcuts are short term. अगर पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करना है ना, तो वो लॉन्गर टर्म गेम है। कोई ऑटोमेशन और कोई शॉर्टकट आपको लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट नहीं देता है। सो इट्स अ गेम ऑफ पेशेंस, ठीक है। द फोर्थ पार्ट, another very very important part, and type agree if you agree to this point, okay. When you're talking from a gym perspective, ठीक है, जब आप पहले हफ्ते जाते हो ना, तो आपको हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है, पैर में दर्द हो रहा है, you don't feel comfortable, etc., so forth and so on. Now that's the gym. Now when you go onto LinkedIn and you start posting content, a lot of you will have this problem. Arey, what should I post? Arey, my English is not good. What will people think of me? What if I make a fool of myself? The point is, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग है क्या कहेंगे लोग, ठीक है। Stop thinking what other people will think. You are way ahead of the rest. The moment you start posting, you are anyways ahead of 98% of the people, because 98% people ये बैठे बैठे सोचते रहते हैं कि किसी दिन मैं कुछ जिंदगी में करूंगा, और वो कभी कुछ नहीं करते। So the fact is, you need to move ahead. You need to start posting. The moment you do, your half the victory is done, guys. So be consistent, be patient. You will get results from this platform. Trust me, today every rupee of my business comes organically from the platform. I don't need to do any marketing. I don't need to do anything. I get leads organically because I have stayed consistent on the platform. Also remember, it's a game of momentum. आप जितना लंबा इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर रहोगे, उतना रिजल्ट आएगा। प्रॉब्लम लोगों के साथ क्या है, लोग शुरू करते हैं, फिर छोड़ देते हैं, फिर गिरता है, फिर जीरो से शुरू करते हैं, फिर छोड़ देते हैं। द पॉइंट, आई गिव एन एग्जांपल। फर्स्ट 3 years on the platform, I reached only 10,000 followers. 0 से 10,000 3 साल लगे मेरे को। 4th year, I went from 10,000 to 33,000. This is my 5th year where I'm going from 33,000 to, I will end the year at close to 80,000. But if you leave, and I've seen hundreds of good people, good writers, good profiles here who have started very well, but somehow left that momentum. जैसे आप हेल्थ की बात करते हो कि आपको रेगुलरली अपना ख्याल रखना है, तो रखना, आप छोड़ोगे तो वो पूरा मेहनत खराब हो जाएगी। सो प्लीज वो मत करिएगा, राइट। Now coming to what do you need to do on the platform, there are two kinds of strategies. One, you networking with people, which is a push strategy, you reaching out to people. One is the pull strategy where you are attracting people. Push people में you need to go and connect with people. You have an option of 30,000 connections. Connect with people senior in your genre, जिनसे आप सीख सकते हो, जिनसे आप इंस्पायर होते हो. Connect with people who might be your prospective audiences. So if you're talking about your target audience might be corporates में कौन होगा, फाइनेंस मैनेजर होगा, फाइनेंस हेड्स होंगे, आप उनसे कनेक्ट करिए। कंपैरेटिवली छोटे बिजनेसेस के बिजनेस ओनर्स होंगे, तो आप उनसे कनेक्ट करिए। द पॉइंट इज, डू नॉट स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग व्हेन यू आर इन नीड ऑफ बिजनेस। आज आप अचानक एक दिन जागोगे एंड एक्सपेक्ट करोगे कि आप किसी से कनेक्ट करोगे, अगले दिन बिजनेस हो जाता, नहीं होता है। इट टेक्स टाइम टू बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप्स, इट टेक्स टाइम फॉर पीपल टू स्टार्ट रिकॉग्नाइजिंग यू। आज आपने कनेक्ट किया, आप विद टाइम उन साहब को बार बार वो आपको देखेंगे, आपके पोस्ट देखेंगे। 6 महीने बाद जब उनको किसी सीए की जरूरत होगी, उनके दिमाग में सबसे पहले आपका नाम आना चाहिए। सो द पॉइंट इज, इट इज कनेक्टिंग and building your plan B when your plan A is working. So even if you don't want business today, even if you're not looking for leads, start connecting with people so that 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद जब आपको जरूरत पड़े, आपके नेटवर्क में वो लोग हो, वो लोग आपको एटलीस्ट नाम से पहचानते हो। A lot of people on LinkedIn say 15,000 connections, 20,000 connections. Guys, नंबर का गेम नहीं है। 15,000 20,000 लोगों को कनेक्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ दोस 15,000 पीपल नो यू? हाउ मेनी ऑफ दोस 15,000 पीपल डू यू नो? क्या आपको लोग आपके नाम से जानते हैं? आज लिंक्डइन पे क्या संपर्क को लोग इसलिए जानते हैं कि संपर्क वाज हेड ऑफ सेल्स एट टोयो, या संपर्क को इसलिए जानते हैं क्योंकि संपर्क का नाम पहचानते हैं? आपका नाम is what you need to popularize there, and that is what you need to do with your content, with your comments, with your connections, etc. And never go with a direct sales model. I've had people from people who've just passed out CA who write to me, संपर्क, I'm looking for a job. अरे एक दिन randomly आप किसी को ऐसे मैसेज कर दोगे तो कोई जॉब देने के लिए नहीं बैठा. But if you have built your relationships up, you build your brand well, people will help you. So the point is connect, engage. As a chartered accountant, you should also have your company page on LinkedIn. Now that company page बहुत ज़्यादा traction नहीं आता क्योंकि company pages are fairly slow in giving you leads, but it is a good place to add your authenticity. So somebody who comes to your profile gets to go to your company page also, sees that you are a big firm with a lot of results, etc. What all you've been doing, आप अपने बार post अपने company page पे भी post कर सकते हो. So that's also an important element of LinkedIn. So that's your push strategy. Connect with people, connect with your prospective clients, connect with your competitors, connect with people who are senior, connect with people whom you can learn from something, and also connect with people whom you can teach something. But 30,000 connections hai, I'm not asking you to fill up all the 30,000. Right? I'm saying that 4-5 हजार लोगों तक आप आराम से जा सकते हो. ठीक है? Now that's your push strategy. Now, and when you are writing to someone, and if there's someone you genuinely want to connect to, please personalize the invite. I'll give you a very clear example. आज सेशन में 200 लोग हैं. मैं सेशन खत्म करूंगा, मैं अपना LinkedIn खोलूंगा, कम से कम मेरे पास 60-70 इनवाइट्स आए होंगे. But do I know that you were there in the CA session? I will not. Unless you've written a personalized invite saying, hi Sampark, I attended your session with ICI Ahmedabad. That is how you build that connect. Because अगर आप screenshot देखो, मेरे पास 2000 invite pending है. The point is when you're writing to someone, the person does not know why you're trying to connect. So always write a personalized invite. अगर आप desktop से कर रहे हो तो desktop में तो जैसे आप connect दबाओगे एक box खुल जाता है add a note वाला. But अगर आप मोबाइल से कर रहे हो तो आप connect दबाओगे तो कई बार मैसेज डायरेक्टली चला जाता है. Personalized invite के लिए go and click on the more button. You will find a personalized your invite का अलग tab. But every invitation that you send, write a personalized invite. सामने वाले को समझ आना चाहिए कि आप कनेक्ट करने की क्यों कोशिश कर रहे हो. कि hi XYZ, I realize both of us are chartered accountants. We can surely catch up sometime and exchange notes, or we can learn from each other. Hi XYZ, I realize that you're from the finance field. Would love to catch up sometime and exchange notes. Just write a generic word. Hi, I read your post around business, finance, etc. Loved your thoughts around it. Would love to get connected. आपने क्या किया? उसको एक छोटा सा compliment दे दिया. The moment you give that compliment, very high probability that the guy will accept. So please ensure that you personalize every invite that you send. Right? Now, ये तो हो गया आपका push strategy where you are reaching out to people. Now coming to the pull strategy where you need to attract. So यहाँ पे you can produce great content. आप अपने company page पे content डाल सकते हैं. So that and you need to start commenting on other people's posts. So अगर आप, if you're talking about accounting, finance, search for that keyword on the top. Okay, you will get all the content related to that. Start commenting on people's posts. Trust me, जब आप दूसरे के पोस्ट पे कमेंट करते हो, and comment does not mean thumbs up, awesome post, great post. Commenting means share your knowledge, share your thoughts. That's how conversations are built. Now you look at my brand, which is the logo on the top, which is Sampark se Sampark. Now that is not a name that I created. It was a name that somebody suggested in the comments of one of my posts. So मैंने कोई पोस्ट किया था, उसने नीचे आके बोला संपर्क, why don't you start using this hashtag? अब वो संपर्क से संपर्क वहां से शुरू हुआ. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल संपर्क से संपर्क हो गया, मेरी वेबसाइट संपर्क से संपर्क.com हो गई, मेरे कंपनी का नाम संपर्क से संपर्क हो गया. That is where the conversation started from there. Now again, I'll give you another example from the comment box. I had written a post where from some book where I tagged the author as well. He had commented on the post. I ended up having a conversation with that gentleman. I also got the chance to meet him. He's the CEO of one of the big companies in the country. And that's how conversations are built in the comment box. कंटेंट पोस्ट करिए. जब आप कंटेंट पोस्ट करते हो आपको ऑर्गेनिकली ट्रैक्शन मिलता है. There is a lot more number of people who see you. So the fact that if you do a post and even if 200, 300, 400 people see that post, 400 लोगों के सामने आपका नाम गया है, the probability of people starting to recognize your name becomes very, very highly probable. So that is something that you should do. Now, Prithvi has said converting connect section to follow section helps to generate huge followers. Prithvi, that you can do, but not initially. Once you need to build up that simple base and then you can change it to a follow section, that's absolutely okay. But initially first shot पे आप वो कभी मत करिएगा, because end of the day you need to build that foundation for yourself. Yes, it's a good thing once you have 3,000, 4,000 connections. After that, you can go and do that. That's absolutely okay. Right? Now, what is important when you're talking about creating and posting content on LinkedIn? One, be consistent. We spoke about it. We spoke about it in detail. Second, pick up your niche. आप अपना personal brand build कर रहे हो. You want people to think of you with respect to something. So you can talk about finance, accounts, audit, GST. आपका topic. So जब कोई बंदा फाइनेंस के बारे में सोचता है उसका आपका नाम याद आना चाहिए. जब वो टैक्सेस के बारे में बात करता है तो आपका नाम याद आना चाहिए. That is where picking up your niche is important. You need to start posting about your genre. अगर आप टैक्सेशन में तो टैक्सेशन के बारे में डालना शुरू करिए. And please, I've seen a lot of CAs posting your जो ICAI के updates हैं पूरा का पूरा वो कॉपी पेस्ट आप वहां कर देते हैं. Guys, that does not help. आपको वो टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज समझ आती है. For a layman like me, I don't understand that technical language. So if you're putting something, so if there is an update which has come, which is applicable to everybody in the country, simplify it, break it down into easy words and put it up so that people like me who might be your prospective target audience understand it. When I understand it, only then will I get connected to you on a mental level. But if you put something very, very technical, the only people who will engage with that post is other CAs जिनको वो समझ आ रहा है. So बहुत technical चीजें मत डालिएगा. Break it up into simpler words. Write it as if a non-CA is reading it. That makes it important because your objective is कि बाकी लोग भी आपको जाने. Right? And write in the form of stories, testimonials. It's always good when you write from a story perspective. अगर आप कॉलेजेस में देखें तो केस स्टडीज क्यों पढ़ाते हैं? थ्योरी डायरेक्टली नहीं पढ़ाते. केस स्टडीज एंड एग्जांपल्स इसलिए देते हैं क्योंकि एग्जांपल से आपको कॉन्सेप्ट इजी समझ आता है. So you can easily write, I was talking to a client yesterday who was having problems with his taxes, and then this is what I did, and he was able to find a solution. So moral of the story is that your taxes, you need to pay attention to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point is, you have to write it in a story format. That's always better. The fourth point, do not wait for the perfect post. There is nothing called a perfect post. अब अगर आप perfect post की wait करोगे ना तो आप कभी कुछ नहीं post करोगे. A lot of people keep thinking, अरे it is not good enough, अरे no, I could have written better. Guys, don't think so much. Look at the image on the right. It says think, write, edit, polish. अगर ये उल्टा होता ना तो think, polish, edit, आप कभी right पहुंचते ही नहीं. आप polish editing में ही गोल गोल घूमते रह जाते. The point is, even if you are 50-60% convinced with your post, post it. It is better than not posting anything at all. It is very, very important that you should post there. Also, you can tag other people so that you get traction from each other. It is very, very important कि आपके post के 1 घंटे के अंदर आपके post को traction मिले. So your friends and your family and your clients, they should be able to engage with that post. That is how you slowly build up momentum around your posts. Keep it professional, write it well, write small paragraphs. मोटे-मोटे paragraphs मत लिखिएगा. It does not help you. Right? Now you will come back and say, Sampark, what are the kind of content can we put up? Okay. LinkedIn is one platform where you can write on any format that you want. So if you want text, अगर आप post लिखना चाहते हैं आप वो लिख सकते हैं. अगर आप image create करने में अच्छा है तो you can create images. If you're good in recording videos, you can put up videos. If you're good in making PowerPoint presentations or PDFs, you can put up documents also. अगर आपको लंबे आर्टिकल्स लिखने का शौक है, आप आर्टिकल्स भी लिख सकते हैं. और अगर आपको जैसे इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव होता है, लिंक्डइन पे भी लाइव का ऑप्शन है, अगर आप वो भी करना चाहते हैं तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द कंटेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, बट स्टार्ट विद 2 posts a week for sure, and you can increase that number to 5 a week eventually. स्टार्टिंग में आप 2 में भी करते 6 महीने तक भी रह जाओ, आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड नंबर दैट इज देयर. Also plus the 2 numbers that I spoke about, that you need to ensure your views and your search appearances go up. Now coming to the do's and don'ts of LinkedIn. Okay, one of the last parts, personalize your invite. We spoke about it. Okay, reply to all messages. आपको कोई भी मैसेज आता है उसका जवाब जरूर दीजिए. अगर आपको नो भी बोलना है, प्लीज से नो. यू नेवर नो विच कॉन्वर्सेशन बिल्ड्स अप. रिप्लाई टू कमेंट्स. अगर आपके पोस्ट पे कोई कमेंट कर रहा है, प्लीज कमेंट करिए. ठीक है, आपको हर सुबह आपके नोटिफिकेशंस में आता है कि आपके कनेक्शन में किस किस के बर्थडे हैं. प्लीज विश पीपल. ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन यू आर विशिंग, इट स्टार्ट्स अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. ठीक है, नाउ a very very important part. So respect others' opinions, stay positive, warm, and don't badmouth people. All these are interconnected. Problem क्या है? A lot of people come and post negative things there. A lot of people come and post sarcastic things there. Guys, negativity और sarcasm बिकता तो जरूर है. ठीक है, that is the whole thing where the media industry is running. ठीक है, but remember, उसके ऊपर आपको 1000 लाइक मिल जाएंगे. आप किसी की बुराई कर दो, आप गवर्नमेंट को कुछ बोल दो, आप रिलीजियस पोस्ट कर दो, आपको 1000-1200 लाइक मिल जाएंगे. बट क्या वो 1200 लोग जो आपके पोस्ट पे लाइक कर रहे हैं, क्या वो आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस है? क्या वो आपका पोटेंशियल कस्टमर है? क्या वो आपका पोटेंशियल रिक्रूटर है? नहीं, वो आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं है. वहां सिर्फ आपको किक ये मिलेगा कि मेरे पोस्ट को 1200 लाइक मिलेंगे. फायदा आपका कुछ भी नहीं होगा. एंड रिमेंबर, you are creating a personal brand. You want people to remember you with something. Make sure that you create that good memory. Make sure that you create that good impression. Make sure that you create that good brand recall for yourself. Please do not write negative stuff. Please don't get into arguments. लोग comments में एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ जाते हैं. Guys, don't do that. Yes, also remember, आपके पोस्ट पे कई बार आपको फीडबैक आएगा, क्रिटिसिज्म आएगा. There are 2 kinds of feedback which come on LinkedIn. One is a constructive feedback, जो genuine है तो उससे आप सीखिए. Then, and if there is something which is provocative, ignore it. बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो आपको प्रोवोक करने के लिए कमेंट भी करते हैं. Please ignore that. ठीक है, do not get into fights on the platform. It is not yes, somebody's rightly said, it does not look good when you're bad mouthing someone. It shows your negativity, it shows your nature. वो मत करिएगा. And problem है, बहुत लोग वो कर देते हैं and game वहीं की वहीं खत्म हो जाती है. I'll give you an example. COVID time में a lot of people lost their jobs. ठीक है, one post you are doing saying मेरी पुरानी कंपनी इतनी बुरी है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, who are they to do this, और अगले पोस्ट में आप बोल रहे हो मेरे को जॉब चाहिए. एक बार अगर आपने किसी को गाली दे दी, आपको क्या लगता है अगले वाले में कोई आपको जॉब देगा? नहीं देता है. So please pay attention to that. That's a very important point. I think that's why I have stressed so much around that, right? So that is what you should do. Please do not fake on the platform. Please do not copy somebody else's post. That's something that you should pay attention to. Now coming to the last part, okay? The last line with which I would want to leave all of you. Remember, LinkedIn is an investment. It takes time to give you returns. एक दिन में नहीं होता, ठीक है? I'll take a couple of minutes since Fenil sir told me to mention about the sessions that I do. I'll just give you a brief on what I do. Before that, what is your homework, etc. I will share a feedback form in the chat box. I will want everybody to at least fill that feedback form. That will be very, very kind. I am also sending a WhatsApp group ka link there. So if you want to stay updated with all the sessions that I do, you can join that WhatsApp group. Also, what I want everybody to do, पहले पोस्ट का आइडिया मैं दे देता हूं. After I stop the screen sharing, take a photo of the screen, okay, of the laptop or the phone, wherever you are from. Do a post on this session. Tag me, tag ICI Ahmedabad, write a post on this session. You will realize the power of the platform का posting. ठीक है? So that's where आज के आज एक post करिए about the session. Once we finish the session, I'll want everybody to switch on their videos. फिर आप एक फोटो ले लीजिएगा एक अच्छी सी, एंड उस फोटोज के साथ आप पोस्ट कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। what all do I do on LinkedIn? So first one is I don't do it. There's no session nearby. But the second and third, which is my champion of LinkedIn and my one-on-one consultancy, is something that I regularly do. Champion of LinkedIn is my group 4-hour sessions. 4 घंटे के वो सेशंस है जहां मैं सब कुछ डिटेल में सिखाता हूँ. एंड देन one-on-one sessions are where people say that I want to understand for my perspective, so you can join in. So this is my group sessions that we do. इसका अगला session is in January. So my last session in December is half already done. It was today and yesterday. So the next batch is there. But agar if you want, acha, another thing, if a lot of you are interested, you can reach out to Fenil sir. We can do an exclusive session for your chapter also if there are enough people who want to take part in this. And this is my one-on-one 30-day mentoring package where I work individually with you also. So if any of you are interested, feedback form में भी आप लिख सकते हैं, आप WhatsApp group में भी डाल सकते हैं, and we can reach out. So we will do that. So that's okay. And these are few graphs of clients who have worked with me and turned around LinkedIn in 4 or 5 weeks after they have attended the session. Okay, so that's any questions, guys? You can start putting the questions in the chat box, and that's my email ID also in case people want to note that down. Yeah. So Dharmendra asked, is it safe to do automation? Dharmendra, I don't recommend automation at all. बहुत लोग हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो ऑटोमेशन और ये सारी चीजों की बातें करते हैं. गाइस, ऑटोमेशन से पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग नहीं होती है. थोड़ा सा मेहनत करो. I'll give you another example. ठीक है? There are days when you get up and you don't feel like going to office, but you do because that's your job. There are days when students get up and they don't feel like going to college, but they do because that's their job. There will be days when you get up and you don't feel like coming to LinkedIn, but you should, because building your brand is only your job. संपर्क का ब्रांड संपर्क छोड़ के कोई नहीं बनाएगा. फेनिल सर का ब्रांड फेनिल सर छोड़ के और कोई नहीं बनाएंगे. आप खुद बनाओगे. 15 मिनट डालिए बस. Right? Just a minute, guys. A second. Let me go through the questions. Shall we do multi-language message? As in, are you talking about posts? You can even do that. That's also okay. How important is uploading CV in your profile? Sonal, it is not at all important because आप वैसे भी सब कुछ तो डाल ही रहे हो वहाँ पे. तो it is whatever you are putting is anyways almost like your resume बोल दीजिए. But it is there is no need to upload your CV separately. Guys, मैंने feedback form और WhatsApp group के दोनों के links chat में डाल दिए हैं, so you can join in there as well. What we as students can benefit at this stage through LinkedIn. Amit, it is very, very important as students. अगर आप अपना network आज बनाना शुरू करोगे, तो 4-5 साल बाद आपको उसका benefit मिलेगा. Problem students के साथ है ना, people at a student life are very, very chill at that stage. अगर आप अभी का मेहनत करो, मैंने LinkedIn 5 साल पहले शुरू किया था. I had never done it with the intention कि मैं अपना कंपनी खोलूंगा. But the fact is, 4 साल जो मैंने लोगों के साथ नेटवर्क बनाया, आज मेरे को उसका बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. I'll give you an example. Okay, I generated I met somebody for a cup of coffee last year through LinkedIn. ठीक है, उस कॉफी से मेरे को उन्होंने किसी और से मिलाया, उनके लिए मैंने एक सेशन किया, उन्होंने मेरे को फिर दुबई में कनेक्ट किया, दुबई में मैंने 4 सेशन किए, दुबई से मेरे को सिंगापुर में कंसल्टेंसी मिली, यूएस में कंसल्टेंसी मिली, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कंसल्टेंसी मिली, मोरक्को में कंसल्टेंसी मिली, स्पेन में कंसल्टेंसी मिली. नाउ दैट one person that I met, I have generated over 4 lakh rupees of business originating from that one coffee. So as students, when I was a student, I never got an opportunity of getting in touch with somebody who's very, very senior and learning from them. As students, you are the whole world to learn from. As somebody who's very, very successful, somebody who's very, very senior, you have an opportunity to learn. How can we change the cover picture? Samir, go to the desktop. Cover picture cannot be changed from the mobile app. It can be changed from the desktop. Just a second. Yeah. How can freshers start? See, as freshers, you can start posting about the things that you're learning, the experiences that you are having, etc. That's there. On my post, I have more than 10,000 views, but likes are only about 260. Neil, there is nothing wrong. It is absolutely okay. On an average, aapka likes are 1.5% of the total views. So it's absolutely okay. That number is a good number if you ask me. Okay. Cover photo change option is available only on the laptop. Yes, it is there. Please share. ये तो sir के पास है. How should a student network on LinkedIn? Raj, again, same thing. Start connecting with other chartered accountants. Start connecting with, जैसे फेनिल सर हैं. अब सर आपको कितने साल हो गए, एक्सपीरियंस कितने साल का है?
10 years.
10 years. अब सर जैसे इतने सारे सीएस हैं, इतने लोग फाइनेंस में, कॉर्पोरेट में हैं जिनसे आप सीख सकते हो. सो एज स्टूडेंट्स कनेक्ट विद senior people like Fenil sir and the others here, and you get to learn from them. You see their content, you read, you understand their mindset, etc. I haven't any content to post because I'm not specialized in any field. No problem, Devendra. आपके कुछ तो थॉट्स होंगे, आप किसी चीज में तो अच्छे होंगे. आप लाइफ के बारे में लिखो, आप मोटिवेशन के बारे में लिखो, आप पॉजिटिविटी के बारे में लिखो. बट एंड ऑफ द डे जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. जब तक दिखोगे नहीं तब तक बिकोगे नहीं भाई. Is it really important for students to stay active on daily? What amount of time should you spend on LinkedIn in a week? For people, I recommend at least half an hour a day. ज़्यादा लगता है 15 मिनट a day करो, लेकिन करो. It is very important, irrespective of who you are, to be in the platform. Be it students. I'll tell you, I do a lot of sessions across engineering colleges also, and I tell those students, I say, भाई तुम्हारे पास जो ऑप्शन है वो मेरे पास कभी नहीं था. अच्छा 15 साल पहले. Even if not CAs, non-CAs, CXOs, leaders, people who are very, very popular, you can learn so much. Chetan says it has started some skill quiz, how it will help. भाई वो तुम्हारे skills बढ़ाने के, number बढ़ाने के लिए है. It's not a very important factor. There's no harm, go ahead and do it. What to write in about section when you are in multiple businesses, as I'm a professor as well as a manager and writer, so these three can affect on my profile, so people might get confused. What do you write? You can suggest. So see Janice, you can write all of them, and you should write all of them, because end of the day all of them are personality elements of Janice, and it is not about getting people confused. It is about people saying, अरे ये भी करती हैं, ये भी करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं. The point is people should go wow. That how you are able to manage. अगर आप मेरे से पूछो, I do personal branding, I do sales and marketing consultancy, I do positivity coaching, I do career development sessions with students, I do consultancy also, I do trainings also, I do mentoring also. Audience, the point is, but you need to be very clear how you do it. So you write all of them. I'm a professor at XYZ college teaching this. Besides this, I am also a writer and a manager for whichever company or whatever. You should put all of them. How important is premium version of LinkedIn? Chetan, I will not give a clear answer there, but the answer is you have to decide आपके लिए फायदा है कि नहीं. अगर मैं अपना एग्जांपल दूं, मैंने प्रीमियम 5 साल रहने के बाद 3 महीने पहले लिया है, क्योंकि मेरे को प्रीमियम सिखाना पड़ता है. मेरे को कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ है. Can you afford 1500 rupees plus per month is what you need to take a call. मेरे हिसाब से हर बिजनेस की वो जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जो $1,00,000 2 लाख रुपए पर पीस के हिसाब से है, then it makes sense for you. But if your services are not very costly, it does not matter. अगर आप ये बोलो कि प्रीमियम नहीं लेने से आपकी प्रोफाइल नहीं चलेगी, गलत है बिल्कुल. I won the LinkedIn Spotlight Award. I was rated by LinkedIn as one of the top 14 content creators on a basic profile. तो प्रीमियम इज नॉट एज इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रीमियम मैंने अब लिया है क्योंकि आप जैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, मेरे हर सेशन में लोग क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, तो मेरे को पता होना चाहिए प्रीमियम में क्या है, इसीलिए मैंने प्रीमियम लिया था. बस मेरे बिजनेस में मेरे को प्रीमियम का फायदा नहीं है. व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट टू यू इज देयर इज अ 1 month फ्री ट्रायल. वो 1 month फ्री ट्रायल यूज करके देन डिसाइड फॉर योरसेल्फ कि आपको फायदा होता है या नहीं होता है. ठीक है, मेरे को नहीं हुआ, हो सकता है आपको हो जाए. सो यूज द ट्रायल एंड टेक योर कॉल. ठीक है. हाउ टू इफेक्टिवली यूज हैशटैग्स इन पोस्ट्स. प्लीज पुट हैशटैग्स, 5 या 6 हैशटैग हर पोस्ट के नीचे डालिए. पुट ब्रॉड हैशटैग्स, डू नॉट पुट वेरी. यू कैन चेक द हैशटैग के कितने फॉलोअर्स है इन द सर्च बार, एंड देन पुट दैट. हाउ टू इंप्रूव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. आशीष, when you communicate and talk to more people, your communication skills will improve, while LinkedIn cannot. So I'm sure LinkedIn, you will find a lot of courses online also which can help. I have just completed my studies, no experience yet, what should I write on my profile? शिवानी, write whatever. अगर आपने internship की है तो आप वो डालिए, articleship की है तो वो डालिए, वो सारी चीजें डालिए. So as students also you need to understand कि articleship is one part of it. अगर आप multiple internships कर सकते हो, आप freelancing content writing या इस टाइप का कुछ कर सकते हो, please do put that up. ठीक है. Is there a weekly limit on profile visit and sending connection request? Connection request का 100 per day का limit होता है, but 100 बहुत ज्यादा नंबर होता है. अनलेस आप अंधाधुन कनेक्ट दबाने गए, आप 100 नहीं पहुंचते हो. ठीक है. एंड प्रोफाइल विजिट में कुछ नहीं, सर्च का एक लिमिट होता है बेसिक प्रोफाइल में, बट दैट इज अगर आप अंधाधुन सर्च करते जा रहे हो तो. पॉइंट इज इफ दैट हैपेंस स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मंथ, इट गेट्स रीसेट, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ठीक है. पर्सनलाइज्ड इनविटेशन विदाउट प्रीमियम वर्जन इज अवेलेबल. यस, पर्सनलाइज्ड इनविटेशन बोल रहा हूं मैं, ईमेल नहीं बोल रहा हूं भाविया. पर्सनलाइज्ड इनविटेशन सबके लिए पॉसिबल है. आप पूछ रहे हो मैसेज का, मैं ईमेल की बात नहीं कर रहा. मैं कह रहा हूं जब आप कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, पर्सनलाइज्ड इनवाइट वो अवेलेबल है, वो सबके लिए अवेलेबल है. हाउ इंपॉर्टेंट इज एंडोर्समेंट? यस, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सेम चीज, आप Amazon पे कुछ खरीदते हो, आप रिव्यूज पढ़ते हो. सो जब आपका कोई रिव्यू कर रहा है तभी आपका वैल्यू बढ़ता है ना. भी somebody is given a good feedback about you. ठीक है. Is LinkedIn learning helpful? Is being considered as a professional course? See, LinkedIn learning is similar to a Coursera or a Upgrad to or a Udemy. अगर आपको जो वैल्यू उसकी है वो ही यहाँ पे है. LinkedIn learning is like a online course जो आप अगर सीखना चाहते हो आप सीख सकते हो, बट अगर आप Udemy, Coursera कर रहे हो तो that is also similar. ठीक है. Yeah, I think I have finished all the questions. Guys, मैं feedback form और WhatsApp group का link फिर से डाल रहा हूँ, so that if people have lost that in the chat. If you're looking for job, then should we mention in headline looking for opportunity? प्रतीक, गलती से भी कभी वो मत डालना. The point is, it shows desperation. It shows that you are in trouble. एक चीज बताओ, आज कोई भी, ठीक है, कोई भी अगर जॉब नहीं भी ढूंढ रहा है, just a minute. Sorry guys, there was a little bit of disturbance there. Yeah. So please उसको desperation में कभी मत डालिएगा. With your personal branding, with your content, you can start getting traction automatically and you can speak to people directly. Should we upload certificates of courses we take? Yes, you should put. So if you're a student, you should put it. Because as you go up, then वो certification obviously online courses के बहुत ज़्यादा value नहीं रहती. But as students, since you don't have too many things, you should put that up. ठीक है. Yeah, I've answered the LinkedIn certification question earlier as well. Any other questions, guys? So Mukesh says, what kind of personalized invite we can send? See, it can be just simple. Sir, I realize that we are from the same industry. Would love to connect and learn more from you. Sir, I read your post on this topic, loved what you had written, and so forth and so on. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? How helpful are LinkedIn groups to build personal branding? See, groups more or less are dead. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा traction LinkedIn group से नहीं मिलता है. So you can try, but more often than not, 95% आपको traction नहीं मिलता है वहाँ पे. Are there any particular pages we need to follow that we look good in our profile? Sonal, you should follow pages that are of interest to you. उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं करता. Tell us something about premium version of LinkedIn. I just missed. I've already mentioned that use the free trial to see if it works for you. If not, do not use it. Business to business, it depends on आपको फायदा हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. ठीक है. So more of अगर if your product is not a very premium product, premium is not required because it's very very costly. उसका ROI नहीं निकलता है. In the post offering jobs, shall we write interested in the comment of that post? Pratik, कभी भी नहीं. Please. Point is, हेडलाइन में लिखना इंटरेस्ट, एक चीज मेरे को बताओ, उस इंटरेस्टेड वाले पोस्ट में कम से कम 3000 कमेंट होते हैं। अगर जॉब ढूंढना इंटरेस्टेड लिखने से इतने आसानी से जॉब मिल जाती तो आज आधी दुनिया ट्रबल में नहीं होती। जॉब सर्च इज अ फुल टाइम जॉब, राइट? यू हैव टू बिल्ड अ ब्रांड गाइस। आई प्रतीक, टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल, जब तक मैं जॉब में था ना, मेरे को दिन में 25 मैसेज आते थे, संपर्क, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब, राइट? नाउ I cannot, even if I want to help, I cannot help each of them. But the point is, if I recognize the person, अरे प्रतीक सिंघल, इसके मैंने पोस्ट देखे हैं, बड़ा इंटेलिजेंट पोस्ट लिखता है, बड़े very very thought provocative comments are there. That is where how you break the clutter and get a job. Just asking for job will not get you anything. ये याद रखना, nobody on the platform is sitting with a platter to give you jobs. जॉब ढूंढना इतना आसान नहीं है, मेहनत लगती है, आपको अपना ब्रांड उतना लेवल करना होता है। अच्छा, मैं आपको दूसरा साइड भी बता दूं प्रतीक, देयर आर पीपल हु हैव गॉट जॉब्स फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन इवन विदाउट इंटरव्यूज। आई एटलीस्ट नो 2 पीपल जिनको लिंक्डइन से बिना इंटरव्यू के जॉब मिली है, जस्ट बिकॉज उनका कंटेंट दिखता है। व्हेन द जेंटलमैन आस्क्ड द पर्सन ऑफरिंग द जॉब, सर मतलब इंटरव्यू, कहता है 15 मिनट के इंटरव्यू में तुम फेक कर सकते हो, 365 डेज से जो तुम्हारे पोस्ट पे मैं माइंडसेट देख रहा हूं ना, वो फेक नहीं हो सकता। So I have confidence in what you are. I'll give you another example and 2 examples from my own team. There are people who have written to me at 10 in the night. 10 बजे सुबह बंदे के हाथ में ऑफर लेटर था. There are people who have written to me on a Monday, given an interview on Tuesday, got the offer on Wednesday, joined on Thursday. The point is, you need to get traffic. You need to get active. You need to get your brand there. That's very, very important. How do corporates use LinkedIn to hire people? What are the basic criteria that they look for before approaching us for job? Amit, your profile should be strong. The content that you are posting, how thought provocative you are, वो सब डालिए. You will start getting traffic. I sent around 450. Dharmendra, while you send 450 connections, guys, अंधाधुंध मत भरिएगा please. 450 is a big number. भरो, but see, the point is, if you have 30,000 connections and a lot of people online tell you, fill up every connection, mat karo. End of the day, networking is not about numbers. Networking is about how many people you know. कितने लोग आपको जानते हैं. Build conversations, build relationships. अंधाधुंध भर के will not help you. Again, Shubham, if you are in MP and you don't have too much client there, it's very easy with LinkedIn. You become virtual. I have so many CAs who are working as virtual CFOs, virtual finance teams, virtual account teams. You can use LinkedIn to get leads across. Can we share our blogs on this platform? Absolutely, Dhruv. You should share it. Are my posts visible to someone who visits my profile? Yes, they are visible to everyone who visits your profile. They can come and check your profiles as well. Right. What are the basic skills that might look good in the profile? Shivani, आपकी industry, आपके genre के हिसाब से you will decide what are the basic skills that will look good. So आप किस चीज में अपना नाम बनाना चाहते हो? What do you want people to recognize you for? वो तो आप decide करोगे कि कौन से skills आपके लिए important है. So guys, I think the questions are done. My email ID is sampark@gmail.com. I'll share the screen again. I've already shared the link to the WhatsApp group and the feedback form. Please, wahan pe bhi you can get in touch so that you can stay in touch for the sessions that I do. A lot of my sessions are very, very detailed. So, sir, screen dikh raha hai kya? Okay. So that's my email ID there, sampark@gmail.com. Plus मैंने chat box में WhatsApp group का भी link डाल दिया था. So you can obviously join there and you can stay updated with whatever sessions that I do. Fenil sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. And what I can understand from you and this session, that bag, we must have a bag while we are on LinkedIn. Bag means don't do bad mouthing. All keep your calm, like anxiety level down, and it's a giver's gain. So if you give so much, if you share your knowledge, then definitely things will come to you. But
Right.
that is what I can summarize your session. So we must have to have a bag in hand, not a bag like this, not to bagging while you are on LinkedIn. But most importantly, friends, as a chartered accountant, we are having our code of conduct. So please see that you can not write you are expert or GST expert or direct tax expert or something like that, because our code of conduct is there. We are not, we have some boundaries. So please keep those things in mind. And sir, we are very much thankful for sharing such a wonderful knowledge and your experience to the participants. We hope that once things are normalized, we will invite you physically for the benefit of the members of Ahmedabad branch. Thank you very much, sir. Fanil sir, thank you very much.
Yeah, guys,
for
also take a photograph and do the post on LinkedIn also today. So it will show you the platform ka power in terms of posting as well.
Sure.
We are,
Yes.
we are ending this webinar.